Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, September 25 to 28, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. There's no changes in the weather situation across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. We still have the shallow low pressure area, which has moved slightly towards the north and remain quasi-stationary to the east of Isabela, and it's around 256 kilometers to the east of Palanan Bay as of 11 a.m. this morning. So this LPA is not expected to intensify into a tropical depression or tropical cyclone based on the various reliable computer models, so there's no need to worry. But we're still going to observe this one for possible development or quick development in the next few days. But so far, that's what the models say. So we are going to respect that and still observe for possible changes in the computer models. Aside from this shallow one, the trough or the extension of this LPA will continue to bring cloudy conditions with severe thunderstorms across most parts of Luzon, including metropolitan Manila. And here across the Bicol region, Visayas, MiMaRoPa, and Sulu archipelago, including the Calayan Island Group, they will be under the influence of the Westerlies or the Southwesterly surface wind flow. So expect some partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly along the western sections of the mentioned areas. While here across the Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands, we have the prevailing northeasterly surface wind flow, or we can call this as a beginning of a weak amihan, which is being enhanced or which is being blown downwards by the strong high pressure over Shanghai area over eastern China. So expect rains with thunderstorms as well across the Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands. Outside of PAR, we don't have any significant system, although we have two low pressure or moderate LPAs. This is 96W and 97W. They are both quasi-stationary, barely moving, with lower chances of developing into tropical cyclones. And its trough is affecting some portions of the western Pacific. Here across the southern sections of the Marianas along Yap and Palau, we have a surface trough. No development will be expected along this trough. Just some thunderstorms all throughout the 3-day forecast. If we look back to our country, we can see here the area of Mindanao all clear this morning, but we could expect some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms as well. So far, that's the latest from our GovSat. As we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here some scattered cloudiness brought about by these troughs and LPAs, which is not expected to intensify as we continue to move into the La Nina climate. As we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, this is from windy.com, courtesy of UMETSAT satellite server. You can clearly see here the cloudiness, thick thunderstorms affecting the parts of Luzon brought about by the shallow LPA over here, and some southwesterly surface wind flow across MiMaRoPa and western Visayas, as well as the Bicol region. That's why we are gloomy right now. And as we look at our 3-day rain and wind forecast through the weekend, tomorrow, Saturday, we could expect some isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across most parts of Luzon, with lesser chances over the Bicol region, moderate chances across the Visayas and MiMaRoPa, and moderate to slightly higher chances of thunderstorms in most parts of Mindanao for Saturday. And on Sunday, we could see some increasing thunderstorm activities across thunderstorm activity all throughout the country except for the Bicol region, which shows lower chances of thunderstorms. And on Monday, same weather situation, thunderstorm activity with increasing chances over the Bicol region. Same chances, high, moderate to high chances across Luzon, Mindoro, Visayas, and Mindanao except for Palawan, which is expected to have some lower chances of thunderstorms around 2 to 4 p.m. on Monday. So far, that's the latest. We are somewhat quiet right now, no tropical cyclones, so that's we must be thankful since we are still under pandemic situation. So that's our latest tropical weather analysis for this Friday and through Monday, and we'll be returning again next week for more weather TV update. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Happy weekend to all. Be hashtag WeatherWiser, be hashtag TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our weather channel.